We've come to Aberystwyth today, and it's a bit lively. Hubnut, sponsored by Lancaster Insurance. Took is bravely staring into the sea while it tries to do its worst. Waves bashing their way in. It's going to be interesting getting back across that bridge again. Must be said, little Took is absolutely flying today, so we'll go and get some video footage of the Hoon home. You'll notice she has hubcaps now, kindly donated by the owner of TPA, the spares Invacar. I had some 10 inches that someone had given me but were wrong. Woo, exciting. And we've basically done an exchange, but TPA is now on the road, the spares Invacar. So that's great to see, and we're hoping to get them together at some point. So it should be fun. But gosh, yes, it is quite stormy today. Ooh, spectacular waves bashing their way in. Ooh, gosh, that's a big old wave. Wow. Look at these waves going across waves. That's quite extraordinary. Whoa! Gosh. State of that is firmly on the side of exciting, I would say. Don't know about you, Took, but I'm starting to think we should get out of here while we still can. Crikey. Well, this really is very exciting indeed, but we must get home. And I think Took's getting concerned about the weather. So let's get on our way. Now we should drop. Oh, it's a Skoda keys, that's no good. And I shall ponder what I've done with the car keys. Woo! Wow. I was sitting on the keys. There we go. Right, should we get out of here, Took? So we've just done another post run, just grabbed a bit of shopping. No need to get back because the Skoda's having an MOT, because I thought I'd sell it with a fresh MOT on it, so hopefully that'll be alright. He's feeling very nippy today. Probably getting a bit too much air. I have adjusted the belts recently, and I think, if anything, I've got the tension too slack. A bit snatchy taking up drive at the moment. The more I listen to Took, the more I think there's a bearing going in the transmission somewhere. sure what's got into her. She started very sweetly this morning and ran perfectly, and yeah, going very well. There's a hill climb coming out of our village, and she usually goes up at about 30 miles an hour, sometimes even 25, but she roared up it at 40 today. And I got salt all over the windscreen, and I haven't got a washer fitted at the moment, so that was foolish. different angle, see if it works any better, of you watching me drive along in this ridiculous contraption. I harbour a dream to take this car back to Essex, where it was built this year. We'll see if that comes to pass. And there we go. That was Tuck having a merry hoon out on an absolutely lovely day. See, those who doubt us, we do have nice weather in Wales. Right, time for lunch. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I shall see you in a future video. Farewell.